Welcome to Prague, the captivating capital of the Czech Republic. A city where history and modernity coexist in perfect harmony. Known for its stunning skyline, winding streets, and rich history, Prague is a destination that fascinates visitors from around the globe. The city's unique charm lies in its ability to transport you to a bygone era while offering the conveniences of a modern European capital. Today, join us as we take a scenic tram ride through the heart of this historic city, offering a glimpse of its timeless beauty. Prague is often called the City of 100 Spires. This nickname comes from the city's iconic skyline, which is dotted with towering church spires, historic towers, and majestic buildings. The spires seem to touch the sky, creating an almost magical atmosphere as you explore the city. Prague's history stretches over a millennium, and its architecture tells the story of a diverse and often turbulent past, reflecting influences from various cultures and epochs. As we make our way through the city, take a moment to appreciate the seamless blend of old and new. Prague's streets are lined with buildings from various architectural styles, including Gothic cathedrals, Baroque palaces, Art Nouveau facades, and sleek modern designs. This mixture of architectural styles makes Prague a visual feast, a place where history is never far from sight, and the past continues to shape the present. On this tram ride, we pass through some of Prague's quietest neighborhoods, where life moves at a slower pace. You'll see tree-lined streets, charming old houses, and small shops that seem untouched by time. These tranquil areas provide a stark contrast to the bustling parts of the city, offering a peaceful escape from the crowds. While the city's compact layout makes it easy to explore on foot, the tram is an ideal way to travel between districts and experience the diverse facets of Prague. Prague is a city of contrasts. As we travel from one neighborhood to the next, you'll notice the diversity in the city's urban landscape. You'll pass peaceful residential districts, lively commercial areas, and vibrant cultural hotspots. Each neighborhood has its own rhythm, with local cafes, quirky boutiques, and beautiful parks adding to the city's charm. The people of Prague take pride in their heritage, but they also embrace the modern world, creating a dynamic and ever-evolving urban environment. The city's cultural scene is a reflection of this vibrant energy. Whether you're an art lover, music enthusiast, or theatergoer, Prague has something to offer. The city is home to a wealth of galleries, museums, and performance venues that cater to a variety of tastes. From contemporary art galleries to traditional opera houses, there is always something happening. The streets come alive with performers, street musicians, and artists, adding to the colorful atmosphere of this incredible city. As we pass through various neighborhoods, take note of the community spaces, local shops, and residential areas that make Prague feel like a living, breathing organism. These areas are where locals go about their daily lives, whether it's picking up groceries, chatting with neighbors, or simply enjoying the outdoor cafes. The sense of community is strong, and there is always something to be seen, heard, or experienced in every corner of Prague. Despite being a bustling city, Prague is rich in green spaces. Whether it's a quiet park tucked away in the corner of a neighborhood or a larger garden offering panoramic views of the city, these areas provide locals and visitors alike a chance to reconnect with nature. These parks are not just for relaxation, they're also hubs of activity, with people coming to jog, picnic, or just enjoy the outdoors. The city's commitment to green spaces makes it a more livable and enjoyable place for residents and visitors alike. Public transportation is an essential part of life in Prague, and the trams play a crucial role in helping people get around. As we continue our ride, you'll notice how efficient and reliable the public transport system is. The trams allow you to experience the city in a way that walking or driving cannot. From business meetings to casual sightseeing, the trams offer a convenient and comfortable way to explore Prague. Prague is also a city with a well-known beer culture, and you'll quickly notice the city's many cafes and pubs that dot every street corner. The Czech Republic is famous for its beer, and Prague offers some of the best beer experiences in Europe. Whether you're a connoisseur of Pilsner or simply someone looking to try something new, the city's countless breweries and beer gardens serve as perfect spots for relaxation and socializing. But it's not just beer, the coffee culture is also thriving, with local cafes offering everything from rich espressos to creamy cappuccinos. Prague's vibrant cafe culture makes it the perfect place to spend time with friends or to simply enjoy a quiet moment alone. One of the most charming things about Prague is its walkability. The city's compact nature makes it easy to explore on foot. Whether you're wandering down narrow alleyways, strolling through lively squares, or meandering along the Vltava River, there's always something new to discover. It's a city where every corner offers a new experience, whether it's a hidden gem of a cafe, an old building with fascinating history, or a scenic viewpoint offering stunning views of the city. Prague also has a rich musical heritage. The city is known for its long-standing tradition in classical music, and it continues to be a hub for musicians and performers. You can catch world-class concerts and operas in historic venues such as the National Theatre or the State Opera. But it's not just classical music. Prague is also home to a thriving contemporary music scene. From jazz clubs to electronic music festivals, the city offers a diverse range of musical experiences for all tastes. As we continue our tram ride, take a moment to reflect on the blend of historical landmarks, contemporary culture, and natural beauty that defines Prague. The city offers something for everyone, whether you're exploring its medieval castles and churches, shopping in modern malls, or enjoying a leisurely walk along the riverbanks. Each day spent in Prague unveils a new layer of its fascinating personality. Whether you're relaxing in one of Prague's many peaceful parks, participating in one of its lively festivals, or simply enjoying a quiet moment by the Vltava River, Prague offers a perfect mix of history, culture, and modern life. The city has a laid-back yet energetic vibe, making it the ideal destination for anyone seeking both relaxation and excitement. As the tram makes its way through the city, notice how the old and new coexist so seamlessly. Prague's urban landscape is a testament to the city's resilience, adaptability, and commitment to preserving its cultural heritage while embracing the future. It's a place where time seems to slow down, allowing you to fully appreciate the beauty and history surrounding you. Thank you for joining us on this scenic tram ride through Prague. Whether you're visiting for a short time or planning to stay longer, Prague is a city that will leave a lasting impression. Its unique combination of stunning architecture, rich culture, and vibrant atmosphere make it a must-visit destination. We hope you enjoy your time in Prague and continue to explore all that this magnificent city has to offer.